Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue our establishing of the record keeping and documentation procedures in your HACCP plan. There is a small point I want to mention that I'm talking here about the documents or records related to the food safety standards, because some of the comments are saying, okay, what about the weight of the product? What are that? I'm measuring the length of the product. I'm measuring the height of the product. I'm measuring the weight. I'm measuring blah blah blah. I'm talking about food safety documents. It's not related to. I'm not talking about quality documents. If you want quality documents, so I will talk about the ISO standard 9001, and I will talk in deep details what are the quality documents in your site. But I'm talking here about the food safety documents, the part related to the HACCP plan. Okay, the retention period. Okay, you must have some kind of the product shelf life or record shelf life, 1 year minimum. Okay, and as per regulatory standards, you usually make some kind of from 2 to 5 years retention period for your document or shelf life for your document, and some standards are calculating it that you are putting the shelf life of the product shelf life, and you add another year as a minimum, as a requirement for the retention period of your documents or of your records. I can mention and can write here of the HACCP plan records. Okay. So we have done the retention period in your HACCP plan. Now we're talking about the documentation procedures. Okay, what are the documentation procedures? These are some kind of the also not procedures. It's looking about the rules to maintain your HACCP plan records. Let's can write here the rules to maintain the records. Okay, what are these different rules? You must define the responsibilities. Responsibilities of what? You must specify specific personnel who will complete or fill the records during operations. So when you create a document, you must define who will be responsible about this document, either who will fill this document, either who will review these records either daily or weekly or hourly, whatever your plan, and who will approve the corrective actions and updates in this document. So we'll review these documents, because the most I don't want to say worst thing in the manufacturing sites, but one of the bad things as an auditor, I can review it in the different manufacturing, that there is a huge activities on the ground, but it's not documented in any documents. And the opposite, the documents are falsified with many details are taken on the document itself, but on the ground there is no an actual and real activities are held on or are done on the ground. So when you maintain a document, you must define the responsibility of this, who will be the owner of this document, and who will be the owner of the reviewing these documents, and ensure the other departments are filling these documents. The record review frequency. So you are saying that I will monitor on a daily basis. Okay, I will verify. For example, here let's make color coding. I will monitor these documents on a daily basis. Okay, I will verify these documents sorry, on monthly basis. And finally, the internal audits